With the machine off, plug the FieldView Drive 2.0 into your machine's 9-pin diagnostic port or adapter cable. Once it is fully pressed into the diagnostic port, fasten the device securely by turning it slightly to the right. This will lock the FieldView Drive 2.0 into place. After the FieldView Drive 2.0 is plugged in, turn on your machine. The status indicator located on the top face of the FieldView Drive 2.0 will begin to pulse white multiple times, indicating it's powered up and a successful installation. The status indicator should glow steadily green to show that the FieldView Drive 2.0 is seeing data activity but is not yet connected to a mobile device. Open the iPad Settings app and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Note: a Wi-Fi connection to your mobile device is utilized if a firmware update is available. Under Bluetooth, navigate to Other Devices and select your FieldView Drive 2.0. Once complete, it should say Connected to the right of the name and move under My Devices. If needed, download the FieldView Cab app from the App Store on your mobile device and log into your account. Open the FieldView Cab app, select Settings, then Devices. Scroll down until you see your Drive 2.0 and press Tap to Connect. Note: if this device has been connected previously, no further steps are necessary, and FieldView Cab app should connect automatically to the device. During setup, renaming your FieldView Drive 2.0 to represent the equipment being configured will help you identify the FieldView Drive 2.0 later. To map data properly to the field, all equipment settings need to be configured within the FieldView Cab app. When the FieldView Drive 2.0 is Bluetooth connected, you will see the light on the FieldView Drive 2.0 turn solid blue. For more information, please reach out to our support team or visit our Knowledge Center at support.climate.com.